Welcome to Be Right There, LLC, your premier provider of affordable plumbing and electric service in Lockwood. With a steadfast commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, we cater to both residential and commercial clients across locations. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians brings years of experience and professionalism to every project we undertake. In the realm of plumbing, we offer a comprehensive range of services including leak detection and repair, water heater installation, drain cleaning, and bathroom kitchen fixture replacement. Whether you're dealing with a sudden leak or planning a bathroom remodel, our prompt and reliable service ensures your plumbing operates smoothly and efficiently. With attention to detail, contact us today to see how we can make your ideas come to life.